believe in you, by the way.
Thanks.
Repositioning a Cessna 172RG to Fort Lauderdale International and letting Isabella do the radio work.
Don't put that in the video, please.
We'll see, we'll see.
I hate
if you approve it, if you approve it. If you approve it.
Hello, so today we're repositioning a Cessna 172 from North Perry to Fort Lauderdale International, and I'm with Isabella. Say hi.
Hi.
So, just gonna be moving it. It's a really short flight. It's gonna be like 5-10 minutes, not even, in the air. So, let's go ahead, pre-flight the airplane, let's get going. So this plane doesn't have a handle or any footsteps, so we have to climb this thing manually. Look, nothing here. So I put the fuel there, and I just... No water, no contaminants.
Okay, check 1, 2. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. 5 by 5. How's it feel with the door open? You getting some air?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice, cool. Yeah, they do that in all the Pipers. They just leave the door open. And I've seen people do it in Cessnas. It's not a biggie. We're gonna drone up over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call for flight following. Okay.
Okay.
So you're gonna say Skyhawk instead of November. Skyhawk 6102 Romeo.
Yep.
Got a flight following request.
What?
Has got a flight following request. You're just telling them, hey, we have a flight following request.
533 Charlie Alpha, runway 10 right.
And they're going to give you a frequency and a squawk code, and you're just going to say the frequency and the squawk code back. And if you stumble, it's okay. They're not busy right now.
Okay.
Okay. So you ready?
Do I just, like, go for it?
North Perry ground, good afternoon.
Okay. North Perry ground, good afternoon. Skyhawk 6120 Romeo has got a flight following request.
6102 Romeo. You'll correct that.
6120 Romeo wants to go to FLL at 1500 with information echo.
1,500 is fine. Okay.
And you are a
Skyhawk.
Cessna 172?
Yes, sorry.
I understand, bye.
They're fine. And our call sign's 6102 Romeo.
November 6102 Romeo. Departure frequency 119.45. Squawk 0174.
119.45, 0174, 6102 Romeo.
November 6102 Romeo, read back correct. Are you ready to taxi, and what's your location?
We're going to need another 5 minutes.
We're going to need another 5 minutes.
02 Romeo.
02 Romeo.
2 Romeo, just let me know when you're ready.
We'll let you know.
We'll let you know, thank you.
You got it! You got it! You're getting it!
Oh my god. Wow, that's hard.
Yep. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to taxi up here, and we're going to ask for taxi. Okay? Go for it.
Good evening, Perry Ground, Skyhawk 6102 Romeo at spot 11, ready to taxi.
Get ready to write. Get ready to write.
Skyhawk 6102 Romeo, North Perry Ground, runway 10 right, taxi via Lima, cross runway 1 right at Lima.
Once you're right, Lima, cross runway 1 right at Lima.
10 right, Lima.
Cross one right at
1
Lima.
right at Lima.
02 Romeo. 02 Romeo. Cool. You got it. You got it.
Don't put that in the video, please.
We'll see. We'll see.
I hate
if you approve it. If you approve it. If you
No.
approve it.
Oh, you have a map. That's not fair. I'm like.
No, I'm not even
guess
looking
all
at that. I know this is Lima.
Okay.
And I remember where 10 right is. But yes, you could use the map.
Damn. You should title this like, "My girlfriend fucks up. So embarrassing."
Look at that guy. Raid is landing.
He's definitely taking a while to land. He landed. Oh, did he? Dude, he bounced. He bounced and he landed flat as f.
Rate it out of 10.
I don't know, like a 3.
Oh.
He bounced like that.
You guys heard it here. It's a 3. You guys heard it here. Doors and windows closed, please.
Yep, closed.
And confirm that they're closed for me. Go for it.
Perry Tower, Skyhawk 6102 Romeo, holding short runway 10 right.
November 6102 Romeo, Perry Tower, roger. November 02 Romeo, is the direction of flight?
We're flight following to Fort Lauderdale. We are preferably just go direct to the airspace.
And 02 Romeo, I can give you direct to the airspace since Miami has to sequence you into the airport, so you can expect a westbound departure.
Span departure works, 0 Romeo.
And 02 Romeo, just to clarify, you said Lauderdale or exact?
Fort Lauderdale, Foxtrot Lima Lima.
Roger.
That window's coming open really quick, just to get us some air in here. Whew. It's hot, guys. Rate is landing.
Okay, not as flat as the other guy. Oh, that was flatter. That was a 10. Or a 9.
Yeah, I'll give him a 10.
Yeah, that was a 10.
I don't know if he was on center line or not.
I don't know, I can't see that.
I believe in you, by the way.
Thanks. I apologize
Charlie Alpha, roger.
to all event viewers.
Look at my
Oh my god, that's a cat! On the runway!
Perry Tower, there is, looks to be some coyote on the runway on one left. He's just to the right side of the display threshold here. He's in the grass now. Keep an eye out for him.
And whoever said that, is the coyote clear of 10 right?
Yeah, it looks like he's clear 10 right.
November 6102 Romeo, make a right downward departure on a 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, downwind departure, only 10 right, clear for takeoff, 02 Romeo. I don't see him anymore.
November
It's a
495,
cat, can you adopt it?
Well, not right now. Okay, you ready?
Tower, copter 7 Romeo,
Heels.
Stadium. Helicopter 2
Here comes the
Romeo
power.
Delta, west side of the tower with the right turn into
Oil
Hollywood.
pressure's good,
landing at
we'll temp,
Hollywood will be on right.
RPMs.
West of the tower,
Airspeed's alive.
7 Romeo Delta.
You didn't come out.
No, he didn't.
Kind of number 550 Charlie Alpha, holding short of 10 right.
60 knots, rotate.
550 Charlie Alpha, roger.
He said a right downwind departure, so that means we're going to make right traffic. Okay, so positive climb, no runway remaining. We'll go gear up. Trim the nose down 2 spins. There comes the gear, and I felt it. We got the amber light.
November 533 Charlie Alpha, right traffic 10 right, over takeoff.
There's 500. So we'll start the turn. Looks clear, right?
And November 6102 Romeo, actually, if you like, make a left downwind departure.
Left downwind departure for 02 Romeo. That's going to help us out a little bit to get there a little faster. That's Fort Lauderdale right there. It's like literally right there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Tower, Cessna 11550 kilo, left downwind 10 left.
You can read back our landing clearance.
Nope.
No? Why not?
No.
Okay. When you get more comfortable with the ground, guys, I'll let you have it.
West of the field, inbound for a full stop with information echo.
I think-
6526
Oh, wait.
Ferry Tower.
I'm so sorry.
Remain outside of,
That scared
It literally just flew right the fuck out.
That scared the living crap out of me. You have to press both things. Just leave it. It's fine.
Okay. Sorry.
I'll close mine.
November 02 Romeo, contact Miami approach.
Over to Miami approach, 02 Romeo, thanks. Miami approach, good afternoon. Skyhawk 6102 Romeo is level 1000, flight following.
6102 Romeo, Miami departure radar contact. Maintain VFR below 2000. Verify your landing Fort Lauderdale International.
VFR below 2000, and we are landing at Fort Lauderdale International, 02 Romeo.
Again, full stop, correct? Not flight training.
That's correct, full stop, 02 Romeo.
02 Romeo, contact approach 133.77.
133.77, 02 Romeo, thanks. So I can keep this.
Romeo, you're going to follow a heavy 767. He's about 2 o'clock and 5 miles on the final 3,700. When you see him, let me know.
Yeah, we have him in sight, 02 Romeo.
Okay, that's who you're following, this is Romeo. Caution late turbulence, just safe to follow when you're comfortable. Let me know when you start the base turn.
Okay, well, our discretion when we follow him, and let you know when we start the base turn, 02 Romeo.
Uh, 02 Romeo, long landing is approved. Caution, wake turbulence 737, departure wrong.
Long landing approved, and caution wake turbulence, 02 Romeo. in the wake, so down short here. Got a lot of airspeed, so not like too much to worry about. Okay, 3 swigs of that trim. Look at all that rubber.
Yeah.
We're good on airspeed. Get that crosswind correction in. Here's the stall horn. Man, we're not down yet. Oh, it's gonna be hard.
Ooh.
Ah. And that thing stayed in the air forever. I'll tell you that. I don't even know where jet escape is.
Skyhawk 02 Romeo, turn left. Next intersection, that will be Quebec. Eastbound on taxiway Alpha, taxi to Jetscape with me.
Okay, left on Quebec. Eastbound on Alpha and to Jetscape with you. 02 Romeo, thanks for this.
Roger that, guys.
That was awesome. That was
Tower 339 Charlie.
We're not specifically on a Jetscape, we're going to a paint shop.
Yeah, it literally looks like a rectangle.
I see it, I see jet escape.
Over departure, have a good one. 339 Charlie.
Hi there. We're actually trying to, we're actually parking at the shop right here. Yeah, is there any way you can tow us there, or we can start up and get there? Okay, thank you. I just didn't want to, because there was no like non-movement, I just didn't want to block it. So we just landed, packed up the plane, and he's going to tow it back now. And we're going to be on our way. We're getting picked up here from Jetscape FBO in about a minute. Not a minute, but a few minutes. And pretty fun, short little flight. Got to fly with some big jets. Long 9,000 foot runway. Fun day. I'm a little tired. Ready to go home. That was awesome. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.